What have we here? We've got some 1955 Buick taillight housings, and we've got the little backup lamp bezels, and we're going to open them up. We're going to take a look. I'm just going to open up one of them, take a look. They're extremely shiny, and I've already looked at these before I paid the gentleman, and I didn't find any flaws of any kind. And I also, we test fit this one because I told him I want to make sure that, that lines up correctly. And they did a really nice job of making that line up great. So yeah, they look better than the factory ever made them, that's for sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover them back up and find a place to store them for a little bit before they go on, which I guess I should probably paint it first. We'll do that first. But I did want to show you a side-by-side of the one original one. I'm going to go grab that one and we'll show you that. Alrighty, the one on the left here, this one, is the one that came off the left fender. And this is the one that has the crack in it. A lot of pits. Small ones, but a lot of them. If you look, there's quite a few pits on the sides. Right in there, there's always pits. And right there. So anyway, they weren't bad. I mean, they're exceptional. I would like to have something that nice on one bid. But these, there's no such thing as perfect, but these are pretty darn good. I think it's going to meet my 5-6 foot standard of what I'm shooting for. So I like those, and I'm going to get those packed up and get them put away. For now, I do have to get some gaskets, and I think one of the lenses are broke. Can't remember which one, but I think I might have to pick up a couple lenses, I'm not sure, and get some gaskets, and I could actually put those together, get them ready to install.